This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to form a gasket. First, ensure both mating surfaces are meticulously clean and dry. Any oil, grease, or old gasket residue will compromise the seal. Use a suitable degreaser and a scraper if necessary. Next, gather your liquid gasket maker, often called RTV silicone, and any required application tools. Always review the product's instructions for specific cure times and temperature recommendations before you begin. Now, let's apply the gasket material. Dispense a continuous, even bead of the liquid gasket maker onto one of the mating surfaces. Aim for a bead thickness of about 1/16 to 1/8 of an inch, or roughly 2 to 3 millimeters. Make sure to completely circle all bolt holes with the bead to prevent any leaks around the fasteners. Be careful not to apply too much, as excess material can squeeze out and potentially cause internal blockages. With the gasket material applied, it's time for assembly. Carefully bring the two components together immediately after applying the gasket maker. Hand tighten the fasteners until you see a slight squeeze out of the gasket material around the edges. This indicates proper contact. Do not fully tighten yet. Allow the gasket to achieve its initial set, typically for 15 to 30 minutes, before proceeding to full torque specifications. For the final step, torque all fasteners to the manufacturer's specified values. Use a crisscross or spiral pattern to ensure even pressure distribution across the gasket. After tightening, it is crucial to allow the gasket to fully cure. This typically takes 24 hours or sometimes longer, depending on the product and environmental conditions. A complete cure ensures a strong, durable, and leak-free seal for your components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.